Hey guys, Trade with Jay here. This has been a long time in the making. I've wanted to make this series for a long time. I've just wanted to start YouTube a long time, for a very, very long time. So, what this series is going to be is it's going to be explaining all of the things that I've went through trader, from losing lots of money, crying myself to sleep, pretty much the whole entire spectrum of what a beginner trader. And the reason that I'm doing this is that I think in the community there's so many people who don't back up what they actually do on the charts, actually show their statements, don't aren't even close to showing what's actually happening behind the YouTube or behind the Twitch or whatever streaming platform that they're on. Even if it's a Discord community and they're a mentor and they're not even helping their students by showing their statements or showing their true trades, I think that it's such a common thing to be the next YouTube mentor person selling their course. And, honestly, I only know this because I fell victim to it so many times when I was starting. Like, I just continuously purchased mentorship after mentorship or course after course. And, I think that a lot of traders fall into this. Now, not necessarily going to be an educational series, but it will definitely help you as if you're a beginner trader or a trader just finding consistency. And I'm going to be straight and upfront and honest with you that I have just found consistency and I have found my edge. And, I am wanting to help people have an understanding for what the true journey is. And I mean, honestly, guys, this is going to be a very uncut series and just very raw. Like, I don't plan on putting a bunch of editing time into it. I will do my part to make it watchable and understandable and, have some fun while watching it because I think honestly, like, I want to create a community here and I want to create a group of people that can come together and, actually see the true side of trading, right? So, um, I will go over my TFT account right now. I just finished a lot of demo trading, just finished a lot of strategy testing, just finished a few couple 100-pound accounts. That'll be something that I'll explain to you guys all in a little bit as well. And just bear with me here. This intro is going to be, super raw, super unedited, but you're going to know everything that you need to know in the matter of 5 to 10 minutes. So if you can just stick with me, then we're going to get through the intro and we're going to kind of explain the schedule that's going to be coming up in the next few weeks. So primarily I trade Forex. Now I've traded Forex for 2.5 years. I myself am 22. So started trading Forex when I was about 20. Kind of lie, I guess I started when I was 19, but I don't really consider the first year since it was, the first year of trading for anybody is kind of just, buy and sell and red and green and kind of a bit of gambling. And you know what? That's honestly part of the journey. You have to go through that, and it's better you go through it then because if you don't get that side out of you as a trader, then it's going to be a short run for you. So, first year, I was obviously getting my grounds, learning, knowing everything, jumping from system to system, and that carried on for about a year and a half, right? So, I'd say I've been trading for 2 years, properly trading for 2 years. Now, I've done over a year of back testing. I've done over a year of finding my strategy, and honestly, I'm going to go over it. It's very simple, and it works for me. And you know, this channel is not so much about a strategy. If you want to use mine, then sure, financial advice or anything like that. Just an uncut series for the beginner traders and people who want to know the true path of trading. So I'm gonna get right into it. I trade Forex. I've traded this last week. 3 days. I trade 3 days primarily. I trade Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and I trade from London session until about London close just into New York. So that's typically the time that I trade. I trade 3 days a week, like I said, and I trade between those times, and I don't trade anything else. Now that's not to say that you should do different or you should do the same. Um, it's just what I do. So like I said, I will show my TFT account. I want to be straightforward as possible. I'm not the guy that's going to be stuff, and I'm certainly not trying to sell anything. So this is a straight path to, what I think it is becoming a profitable trader. And, I really want you guys to come along and, come along for the journey because I'm going to be starting to post everything from here on out. So this is my TFT account that I started 3 days and 19 hours ago. So the purpose of this account is purely for the YouTube channel. I will use this account through TFT for the YouTube channel, and I will bring you along every single step of the way. I'm going to record all of my trading sessions. I'm going to record all of my trades. I'm going to record my entire journal, and I am going to be as transparent as I don't think anybody is this transparent, to be honest with you. I think there's one more guy that I really respect on YouTube, Iman, and he's a super legit guy. You guys should go check him out. Not helping me out in any way, but I think that he's a very good person and kind of where YouTubers should be when it's actually introducing the trading community. So this TFT account, I said I started 3 days at 19 hours ago. That was my time since my first trade, and that is when I started it. So it started as just a 5K account. I'm just making this account for the YouTube reasons. It was $50. TFT's having a sale right now. Go check them out. They're a legit firm. And this is where it's at. It's at 4.35% profit in 3 days and 19 hours. Is phase one. Obviously, I said I just started it. And 217 out of a $400 profit target. And it's a 5K rapid challenge phase one. Now, it's actually my only account through TFT. So just me testing out the firm. Here's a series of my trades that I want to go into detail with, and I want to go over. But for now, we're just going to stick to the intro. So I'm going to be recording this entire journey from not funded to funded on this account. And I want to open up and be able to get as much information over to you guys as possible. And honestly, that I believe doing this, I will also become a better trader myself, right? So my strategy right now is a bit of a higher hit rate percentage. It's a scaling in type of approach. Um, I don't really care too much about the statistics on the right side as average RRR. That it's not really correct calculated through TFT in my opinion because many times I don't adjust stop losses on a position, and most of my positions would be almost no risk because as soon as I get over 5 to 10 pips, I'm at break even on the stop loss. So RRR can be quite misleading in this case, or I might just have a stop loss drag quite low price that is no longer in the picture, and I'm about to close out, and it calculates as my RRR. So not too worried about the RRR. My projected 30 days obviously outstanding, right? Paints a clear path to fund it on this account in less than 2 months, way less, right? Probably three, right? But that's all aside the fact, guys, right? The whole point of this is so that I can show you what it is like to be a real trader and what it actually takes. And I will say it out there, I've blown multiple accounts. I've failed challenges in the past that I am just getting to consistency now. And I would really want to start this journey before I have a bunch of funded accounts and before I'm just another one of those people that are on YouTube with profit payouts and funded and all of that side of fact because I don't want to become like that. And I want to honestly just track my entire journey and give it to you guys. And I want you guys to do the same. I honestly promote and encourage, and I want my community that I create. I'm thinking of creating a Discord, Trade with Jay, and it's just an entire community of everyone posting their funded accounts or their non-funded accounts or their biggest losses or their biggest wins and their trading journals and their statements. And honestly, I kind of want to make it a have to be open, and you have to post your statements and you have to post your losses and you have to post your wins and you have to post your journal because that way we're all going to grow together as traders, and we're not going to be another community that's selling a course and nobody shows their trades except for the top 1 or 5% that get funded, and the other 90 to 95% just don't post anything, try to fake stuff, and they're lying to themselves, right? So guys, this is Trade with Jay. We're going to be going live. We're going to be posting videos. We're going to be keeping it transparent. And if you like what we're doing here, subscribe. Like how I'm talking. If you like the transparency, if you like the openness, like the rawness, those aren't words. If you like it, then join along, guys, because I'm going to be posting literally everything, my strategy, my wins, my losses, my journaling, my statements, and I encourage you guys to tag along. So subscribe, hit the like button, share it to a friend. Let's make this big. I'm not going to be selling anything, and I'm going to be creating a community for you guys and for myself as well. All right, guys, I will catch you on the next one, and peace.